Hey there, welcome to another video where we tackle a common networking problem that might be causing you some headaches. So, the problem we're looking at today is that one of your machines seems to be attempting to connect to port 22 on random hosts on the internet. Bit of a mystery, right? You tried using Wireshark to track down the culprit, but your network is accepting SSH connections, which is flooding your system with connection attempts from all sorts of places. This constant bombardment is making it hard to identify which connections you actually initiate. Quite the conundrum, huh? Now, let's talk about the solution to this problem. One way to filter out all those unwanted packets associated with SSH connections that you don't initiate is by using a clever combination of filters in Wireshark. You can apply a filter that focuses on both the source address and port, as well as the destination address and port. By using the filter, SRC net 192.168.1.024 and DST port 22, or DST net 192.168.1.024 and SRC port 22, you can effectively sift through the traffic and isolate the connections that you're actually initiating. Pretty neat, right? Building on that previous solution, if you're only interested in seeing the packets that you initiate, you can further refine your filter. By using the filter SRC net 192.168.1.024 and DST port 22, you can specifically target the packets sent from your network to port 22, giving you a clear view of your initiated connections. This way, you can cut through the noise and focus on the connections that matter to you. Problem solved. In summary, by combining source and destination filters with specific port numbers, you can effectively identify and isolate the SSH connections that you initiate, cutting through the clutter of unwanted traffic. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to troubleshoot and manage your network connections. Thanks for tuning in. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit subscribe, like, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any networking mysteries you'd like us to unravel next time. Stay connected, folks.